by Madison. And today we are going to be doing a highlighter clean out. This is number 7, and I feel like all we did last year was buy highlighters because I have like hundreds of highlighters. So yeah. So I'm going to be throwing away some that are bad and going through that some, like keeping the ones that are so good and everything, and donating the ones I don't use. Yeah, but first I got a package from I don't know yet because my mom didn't open it because she was busy at work and she got it just before she left. So let's open it together. Okay, so here's the box that has my name on it. You can't see my last name because that is confidential. But I'm gonna open this up. Hopefully it's not like a balloon inside, or if it is, I just pop it. Stuck. So it's black. I don't know what I'm gonna say. So there's a letter in here. I got the silver play button. Dude, I'm posting this on my Snapchat. Can this just be in my room the first week? Thank you guys so much because this is all about you guys. So this is basically for you guys too because like you helped me get this far and I got the silver play button. So this goes to you guys out there. I'm shook. Miss Cooper 12 is on my name on a silver play button. Now let's try to get the golden one and the diamond one. So that's our goal. But I need to call my friends. So now that excitement's over with, we're gonna move on to our highlighters. So but these are my higher end highlighters. But here's the ones I'm gonna be doing first. So first of all is my Anastasia palette, which I'm gonna keep this one, obvi. I use that one in every single video. This one I'm gonna keep because I just got it. It's a holographic one by Kat Von D. Then I have a Stila highlighter. Here's what, oh, is this the putty highlighter? We have a putty highlighter. So this one feels like a powder and like slime. It's so soft. Wait, here's what it looks like. I was watching Tati and she had that. Next I have a Jeffree Star's Cosmetics. I'm afraid to open this one because the pan fell out. But while my mom's opening out, we have the Naked Illuminati. Pretty. I'm not going to keep that one because that's basically just glitter. And then this is the Jeffree Star one. And I'm going to keep that one. It's like the most pigmented thing ever. I wish it wasn't broke, but this one's Elizabeth Arden. We've had this one for a while. And it used like a pinkish undertone, so I'm not gonna keep this one. Next is the Dior one, and I use this many times, and it's so good. So good. You can barely see it. But yes, we're keeping that. Next is, of course, I'm not even gonna swatch them because there's like 6 highlighters in here, but we are gonna keep this. Next is a Smashbox one. This is the Casey Holmes, so I'm gonna keep that. This one's a, oh god. This is from MAC. That's so powerful. That's not sticky anymore. That's like basically just glitter. Ew, smell that. Get ready now. I put that on my hand. Okay, next is a Bobbi Brown one. And oh, I'm gonna start smelling them. That's like gold. That smells nasty. Next is this Becca highlighter, which I'm gonna keep because it's Becca and it's champagne pop. Next is the Laura Mercier, and I'm gonna keep this one. Ew. I don't like that one. This is from Becca. I don't like it. Yeah. I'm gonna get rid of this one. This is the Candy Glow Luminizer. Which, have I used this? Oh. I'm gonna keep that one. Good job, Candy. Next is a Clinique stick. I'll keep that. Next is a mini Becca. I'm gonna keep that as some shiny cushions. Next is this. This is a cream, and I don't like it because nothing's coming off of my fingers. So this is from MAC. Then this is Light Up by Benefit. No, that one's good. Look. So keep that. Then the next one is Dior. Whoa. Yeah, we're gonna keep that. Then I'm gonna keep this since I think we just recently got that. And then there's this palette, Laura Mercier, and we're gonna keep this one. It's so pretty. So here's the other tray, and this is just basically drugstore highlighters. So let's get started. First one is the Wet n Wild one, which we haven't used yet, so we're not gonna get rid of. Oh, purple bunny poops. Yeah? Oh. Wait. Okay, so those work. This is from Kiko. Next is e.l.f. and I just showed these in my other videos. I'm not gonna swatch it. Well, oh, this is the one that broke. My mommy fixed it. So like the highlighter challenge. So I'm gonna keep that, and then there's the other e.l.f. one. Next is from Sleek. Oh well. Now there's some cream highlighters. And they're like a cream shimmery bronzer. And then another powder. So, I'm not gonna keep that. Next is Milani. So here's the next one, this Milani. That's really good. So I'm gonna keep that. Next is Sephora Golden Hour. That's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. And I'm not gonna keep that. Next is a Strobe from Revolution highlighter. They weren't kidding. I'll keep that. Next is a ColourPop highlighter. I'll keep that one. Oh my god. This is Artist Couture. Oh. I'll keep that. It's pretty. Next is another ColourPop highlighter, which I'm pretty sure we're keeping all the ColourPop ones. Yeah. Next is another ColourPop one. Oh, it's cute. I'll keep that one for my mustache. Next is a Wet n Wild rainbow highlighter. I'll keep that. I don't want to put it. Next, another rainbow highlighter, but it's like more of a bronzy color. I'll keep that. Ow. Next is another Revolution strobe highlighter. That one's matte. I don't like that. Next one is another Revolution one, but it's like the rainbow highlighter style one. That one's pretty good. I'm gonna keep that one. This one is from Wet n Wild. I'll keep that. This is a Milani one, which we've had this for a long time. So now I'm gonna put this on my other eye. That one looks good. Next is a LA Girl. I'm gonna get rid of that one. Then we have some sticks that aren't open. So I'm not gonna open any of these because we haven't tried them yet. Next is a pure bronze and highlight. This is the one I got from the BoxyCharm, so I'm just gonna swatch the highlighter. We'll keep that. And then now the Sunlight Dream by Revlon, and this one doesn't look. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this one since we just got it. This one is another e.l.f. That one's good. Here's another Revolution one, and it's in the shape of a heart. So that one looks good. And these are some AOA highlighters, are $1. So I'm probably gonna get rid of these two too, since they're not the best. Next one is this one, and I remember I really like. Ooh, yeah. So we're keeping this one, that one. Next is a BoxyCharm one. So I'm gonna keep this. Next is called Lunch Money by ColourPop. Dude, these are putty ones. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that. That's that white dot right there. Next is Becca. I don't know why this is in here. It's another champagne pop. Or Peresco pop. I'll keep that. Next is Pretty Vulgar. I'll keep that. Next is the AOA Rainbow Highlighter. I'm gonna get rid of that. Next is a ColourPop one. We have still a lot of ColourPop ones. Ooh. I'm gonna keep that. Now I got a cushion highlight by Wet n Wild. So here's what it looks like. Here's the other one. So I'm gonna keep this one. Next is a Wet n Wild. Another highlighter. So I'm gonna get rid of that one. This one I haven't opened. This is a hard candy one. I haven't opened this one, but I just did. I'll keep it since we just got it. And then here, this is like the same one, so I'm gonna get rid of it. It's the AOA one. Next is a Wet n Wild. Whoa. I'll keep it. Next is a Catrice one. And it's called a highlighting powder. I'll get rid of that one. I don't really like it. So here is the one I'm getting rid of, like my little handful of them. And then here are the two of the ones I'm keeping, 2 drawers full. And I got rid of a little bit because I love my highlighters, and if they're good, I'm gonna keep them. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun to make because I love my highlighters, and that one it's not so bad. So, but yeah. Thank you guys so much for my silver play button, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Click the bell, leave a like, and I'll see you guys next time on Miss Cooper 12. Bye!